Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into an interesting project: how to create a vintage text effect in Photoshop used for amazing designs. Let's get started. First, let's open Photoshop and create a new document. Then create a solid color for the background. Make sure to create a dark colored background. Next, we need to add our text. Select the text tool from the toolbar. Click on your canvas and type your desired text. I'm going with style. Resize it and place it at the center. To create the vintage effect, we'll need to add drop shadow to the text using the blending options. Then go to blending options and go to drop shadow. First, create a drop shadow with a color of the same color as the text and follow the following settings. Then add another drop shadow with a light blue color and follow the displayed settings. Then add another drop shadow with a light green color and follow the displayed settings. Then add another drop shadow with a dark yellow color and follow the displayed settings. Then add another drop shadow with an orange color and follow the displayed settings. Click OK. You can erase the text and type a new text and you will still have the effect. And there you have it. A cool vintage text effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.